Day trading is a popular trading strategy that involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. It's a fast-paced and exciting way to trade, but it's not without risks. In this video, we'll give you an overview of day trading, including the financial instruments involved, the strategies used by traders, and the importance of risk management and psychological discipline. Day traders focus on liquid markets, such as stocks, currencies, options, and futures, due to their higher trading volumes and price volatility. They use various strategies, including scalping, momentum trading, and technical analysis, to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Day trading requires active monitoring of the market throughout the trading day, as positions are opened and closed within a short time frame, often within minutes or hours. Risk management is crucial in day trading to protect capital. Traders commonly use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and set profit targets to secure gains. Day traders often utilize leverage provided by margin accounts to amplify their trading positions. However, leverage also increases the risk of substantial losses. Psychological discipline is essential for day traders to manage emotions such as fear, greed, and impatience, as rapid market movements can induce stress and impulsive decision-making. It's important to approach day trading with a well-defined trading plan and realistic expectations. Technology plays a vital role in day trading, with traders relying on high-speed internet connections, advanced trading platforms, and real-time market data to execute trades swiftly and make informed decisions. Day trading can be a highly competitive field, with traders competing for profits and seeking an edge through sophisticated tools, algorithms, and trading strategies. Day trading offers the potential for quick profits, but it also carries a high level of risk. It's important to thoroughly research and understand the markets before engaging in this activity. Remember, not all day traders achieve consistent profitability. It requires extensive knowledge, experience, and continuous learning to navigate the complexities of the market successfully. So, approach day trading with caution, and always prioritize risk management and psychological discipline.